Today I'm gonna show you how to create wipe transition. This is the first video footage and this is the second video footage. We'll bring the second layer up. Cut the layer exactly where we want the effect to start. Then we will go effect and search wipe. Leave the effect on the layer. We can increase and decrease it if we want. See wipe transition created here. We can put any color in the middle of it. I'll put a black color here. For that we have to select it and come to the effect control. See, it's fully lit. Now if we launch it, it will look like this. We can change its color again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.